Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English, and today we're going to learn practical English for work. In this lesson, we'll practice useful vocabulary, professional phrases, workplace communication, and speaking skills you can use in real jobs. Let's begin. Our first word is deadline. The final date or time when something must be finished. An example sentence would be, the deadline is Friday. Now let's practice. When is your next deadline? Answer, the deadline is Friday. Let's try again. When is your next deadline? Answer, the deadline is Friday. Let's now look at meeting. A meeting is a time when people talk about work. An example sentence would be, we have a meeting at 2 p.m. When is your next meeting? Answer, we have a meeting at 2 p.m. Let's try again. When is your next meeting? Answer, we have a meeting at 2 p.m. Now let's look at client. A client is a customer of a business. An example sentence would be, the client liked our idea. Do you work with clients? Our next word is task. A task is a job or piece of work. An example sentence would be, my first task today is answering emails. What is your biggest task today? Answer, my first task today is answering emails. Let's try again. What is your biggest task today? My first task today is answering emails. Update. An update is new information or progress. An example sentence would be, I have an update on the project. Can you give an update? Answer, I have an update on the project. Let's try again. Can you give an update? I have an update on the project. All right, we have come to the end of today's session. I want to thank you very much for joining me today. I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English. I have free live English classes starting in May. In May, we will practice speaking, meetings, business English, pronunciation, and confidence building. Please follow now so you do not miss the first class. Feel free to share this lesson with a friend. Thank you again, and I will see you in May.